Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how to fix memory leak on your Windows machine. Now, generally what happens is when you close an application, the whatever memory which is being allocated for that application which has been closed needs to be released for the other application when you launch that application. Now, generally, this doesn't happen. The used memory is not been released for the application. Now this happens because of the updates which is being installed on especially on Windows 10 machine. Now this video is on a quick fix on how to resolve the memory leak usage. Now, the first step would be I would suggest you two steps here. Now, the first step would be to make some modification on the registry. All you have to do is you will have to open Windows and R key on your keyboard. You'll have to press Windows and R key simultaneously and type regedit and click on OK. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click on search and look for regedit. Right click on regedit, run as administrator. If you get a user access control prompt, click on yes. Now before you make any modification to the registry, what I would strongly recommend you is to go ahead and take a backup of the registry. All you have to do is you will have to go to file, click on export, and save the registry backup. And please make sure you go ahead and delete this registry backup as soon as once you follow the steps correctly, because if you double click on this registry, the same registry will be merged back to the computer. So I'm going to click on save this file on the desktop. So right now it is trying to take a backup of the registry. Let's wait until the backup is complete. So the registry backup has been completed. It shouldn't take more than 20 to 25 seconds. So the next step would be you will have to click on the arrow next to HKey local machine, and you will have to look for system, expand system next by clicking on the arrow, and then expand current control set, and then go to services and expand services. As soon as you expand services, you will have to look for NDU. Now, as soon as you go to NDU, you will have to go ahead and highlight NDU. On the right hand side of the registry editor, you will see an option which says start. So you will have to double click on that and change the value data to number 4. Please remember the the value data has to be number 4. So hit OK. So as soon as you're done with this step, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer and see how the performance of your computer is. Now this, in case if this works, it's well and good. In case if it doesn't work, you may go ahead and try another step. So you can go ahead and close the registry editor and press Windows and R key on your keyboard and type services.msc and click on OK or hit enter on your keyboard. Now this will open up the services window. The list it will on this window you will see all the services which are currently running on your computer. So on this you will have to look for Superfetch. Now if you highlight Superfetch, which says maintains and improves the system performance over time. So all you have to do is you'll have to double click on this, click on stop, and from the drop down menu under startup type you will have to click on disable, click on apply, and then click on OK. So once this is done, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer, and this should fix your memory leak issue on your Windows machine. I hope this video would be helpful. In case if this video was helpful, please comment in the comment section, and in case if it doesn't work, also let me know so that I can come up with the better resolution. And do not forget to click on the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day and do take care.